this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to remove password on Windows 11 operating system. Removing the password from a Windows 11 account can enhance convenience and speed up access, particularly in trusted environments like a home office. On your desktop, head to the search bar. Type in Control Panel. On the Control Panel, select on this option of Change Account Type. It's just down below User Account. Choose your preferred user account. You will see all other users right here. You just need to select on a user you want to remove the password. In this section, head to change the password. Enter your current password and tap on Change Password. Your current password will get deleted. You don't need to go ahead to fill in all this. Just enter your current password and tap on Change Password. Restart your computer and the password will get removed successfully. That's how easy it is to delete password on your Windows 11 PC. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.